Suspending a user with Cayosoft Suspend for Active Directory can be performed either through Active Directory users' computers or through the administrative web interface. The benefits of the web interface are that you can avoid having to distribute our snap-in, and you can also allow non-privileged employees such as HR or help desk to suspend users as well. To suspend users within Active Directory users' computers, you simply locate the user by any normal means. So in this case, I'll just simply click on the user. But I could have also done the search, and it would have given me the same results. I right-click the user, and Cayosoft has added a new menu entry for our snap-in called Suspend. I'll select Suspend, and I'm now presented with the Suspend Object dialog box. I have an option of suspending the user right now, or I can schedule the suspension date. So if I know somebody's leaving on vacation or going on medical or military deployment, I could suspend them the day they leave, and then I also have the option of right in the interface having the account unsuspended when the person returns. In this case, I'm going to suspend the user immediately. Next, I have the ability to deny login and scramble passwords. I can update attributes. In this case, I'll just simply update the display or the description attribute of the user. I'm going to move the user into a specific OU. I'm going to clear the group memberships for the user. I'm going to retain the object for 90 days, and then it'll be permanently deleted. In this case, I'll recover the object, so it won't actually be deleted. And then finally, I have a way of storing the data for recovery either with the object in Active Directory or externally. So I'll go ahead and submit this, and you'll see it gives me a small message. Do I want to view the suspend report? I can say yes, and it brings up a small HTML report that shows me all of the changes that were made to this particular user. Now the user was moved into the suspended objects OU, so I'll come over. I'll make sure I just have the latest list by refreshing, and there's Alex Ferguson. If I'd like to undo this suspension, I can right-click the object. Here I also have the ability to retrieve that same report we just saw. I'll undo the suspend, I'll submit, and it'll actually put the object right back into my employees OU. I'll refresh the OU, and there's Alex Ferguson. Now to perform this task through the web interface, I simply access the web console. I select the object search dialog and enter the name. So for example, I can search for James. Once I locate the user I wish to suspend, I simply select that user. Notice I can also select multiple users, and then I click Suspend User. I'm asked, do I want to suspend it now, or do I want to provide a suspend date? And I also have the option of providing a comment. Here I'll go ahead and simply click OK. I'm going to refresh my list, and I'll now see that James has moved from an active state to a suspended user. Now in the background, it followed all the same workflows that you saw in the Active Directory Users Computers console, simply because I've saved those settings. And so now that object is in the suspended objects OU and will be deleted after 90 days. I can also delegate users the ability to come in and undo suspension. So I could pre-create accounts, provision them, suspend them, and then on the day they're ready, I could give this interface to the manager, and the manager could prepare the account with a simple undo suspend.